O Lord, give you thanks for your mercy and kindness. Grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. So, let me take a test today. Let me take a written test today. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Huh? Why no? Only 5 questions, very simple questions, and you will put the marks. We will discuss the answers. You yourself will put the mark. Okay. Okay. So you can take your notebook itself. Okay. Please take your notebook and take a fresh page. Dhananjay, take a notebook. Ira Sian, please turn on your video. And ma'am is going to share the screen. Okay. So are you all ready? Shall we start the test? Yes.
Yes.
So let me share the screen. Okay. So top at the right side, you can write your name and all. Okay. You can write your name.
Ma'am, right?
Yeah. Write your name at the top. You write your name. No need to write NAME. Understood? You have to write your own name. And you can write below that your class and division. You are in 1B, no? So you can write 1B. Write your name, class.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, good. Now below that you can write the subject. What is the subject?
Ma'am, I have written.
What is the
Maths.
subject? Is it Malayalam?
No.
Then what?
Maths.
It's Max. MATHS.
Ma'am, I have written.
So one more thing. For the main exam, you no need to write the question. Okay. No need to write the question. You write only the question number and answer. But today we will write a question and answer. Okay. Today we will write a question and answer. But for the exam, no need to write the question. Only question number and answer only needed. Now we can write the first one here. This is a revision test, no? So at the top we can write the revision test. REVISION, revision test. REVISION, revision test. TEST, test.
Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice.
So this much you completed.
Ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So we can see the first question. You can put number 1. Number 1. IDENTIFY. Identify. E-N-T-I-F-Y. Identify. Identify. T-H-E. Identify the S-H-A-P-E. Identify the shape. Actually, identify the shape of the following. Now we are writing only this much, only for understanding. Otherwise, it will be a long question. No. So you may not get time to complete it. So identify the shape. What is the meaning of that? So some pictures will be given. You have to identify its shape. Understood? Understood? So
Yes, ma'am.
here we have the first one, A. There are two figures, and here we have the simple one only I given. So you can draw.
And we should write.
You have to draw. No need to tell me the answer. Okay, this is the first shape. So you can write its answer down. Okay. The same way, one more is here.
It's a
B.
spelling.
You have to write the answer at the dash.
Spelling.
So its answer you can write here. Identify the shape. Now you can complete the answer. Okay. After that only we will move to the next one. We have enough time, so please, no need to go very fast. Yes, John Paul.
Ma'am, we want to write that shape of base.
Yes, Ayon.
We want to write that shape of
Not a name. Identify the shape. What is a shape? We studied to know many shapes, solid shapes.
yes.
So what is the shape? What is the shape of these objects?
Okay, ma'am.
If you have completed, you can show me the thumbs up. No need to tell me I have completed. Show me the thumbs up. That's enough. So I can understand. No, you have completed. Yes, Ishan completed. John Paul completed. Good, good, very good. So the second question. Okay. We have enough time. You don't worry. Second question. W-H-I-C-H. Which? W-H-I-C-H. Which? N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. Which number? Which number comes? C-O-M-E-S. Which number comes? Which number comes?
Ma'am, after.
Which number comes before and after? Before and after. I will write one minute. Okay, you can complete it. No need to rub it. Which number comes before and after, AFTER. Which number comes before and after? And here we have the number 3030. Okay, so you have to write the number before 30, after 30. No need to tell me the answer. Before 30 and after 30, you have to write the number. You can write the answer now. So shall we move to third one? Are you all ready? After reading, you please check once again. Okay, please check once again. COMPLETE, complete. COMPLETE, complete. THE, the. PATTERN, complete the pattern. And here we have 1 1 2 2 3 3 dash comma dash. COMPLETE, complete the pattern. PATTERN. And the question is 1 1 or 11, comma 2 2 22, comma 3 3 33, comma dash, comma dash.
Ma'am, we want to write only the answers.
No. You have to write the question and answer. We have enough time. That's why. It's only 10:08. We have to 10:30. Dhananjay, are you writing? Yes.
Yes.
Good. Okay, Rahat, good. Rahat completed, good. So shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So we can move to the next one. That is the fourth question. Okay, we have the fourth one.
Page.
And here we have COUNT, count. COUNT, count. Count the number of NUMBER. Count the number of matchsticks. Count the number of matchsticks. MATCH SISTICKS. Count the number of matchsticks. Count the number of matchsticks. Write the number and number name. Count the number of matchsticks. Write the number and number name. WRITE, right? THE, the, NUMBER, number, and NUMBER, number and number name, NAME. Where are you, Basil? I can't see Basil. Now the question is, the picture below the question is, so you can write the answer below the question. Count the number of matchsticks. Write the number and number name. Please be quiet. Please be quiet.
Completed.
So we have one more question. Only 5 questions. So the last question. Okay. The last question. Draw GRAW. GRAW. Draw beads. BAGS. Sorry. BEADS. Draw beads on the abacus. To show the number 53. Draw beads on the abacus to show the number 53. That is the last question. Okay, we have enough time. You don't worry. We have enough time. So you have to draw the abacus. You have to show the beads also. Abel is present today. Abel. I didn't see Abel. Ahlam. Ahlam is present. Absent. Then Andrea. Andrea. We will check the paper. We will check the paper at 10:20 only. Okay, that much time is here. So please check your answers once again. Aeon, please check your answer. Then Anjay is present. What about Hannah? Hannah, are you present today? Hannah? Absent. Lysandra K? Lysandra? Absent. Mohammed Aidin? Mohammed Aidin? Absent. Najim Sagar? Najim Sagar? Rayan Jobi? Rayan Jobi? Then Sai Krishna? Absent. Then Sebastian?
Ma'am, I done.
Then what about the Taman?
Ma'am, I have complete.
Draw beads on the abacus to show the number 53. Now, those who have completed, please show me the thumbs up. Then I can understand now how many of you have completed. Okay, Ayan, good. Okay, Niveda, Aaron, Aldrin, very good. Yes, Ishan. Issa Jolie also completed, good. Yaman Jomi, Rahat Fatima, good. Richard also completed. Okay, Tirtha. Okay, Adna Sunil, good. Okay, Niveda, Shivat, good. Ved Pradap also completed, good. Vedic also. So we have one more minute. Okay, Ira Sian, good. Anthony Naiju. Okay, Harriet. Okay. Who is it? Haysam also completed, good. So let's check the answers.
Yes.
Okay. So here we have the first question. Identify the sheep. Identify the sheep. And here we have A. And the object is a birthday cap. Anthony Naiju, what is a sheep? Anthony Naiju, corn. Tell me the spelling.
C-O-N-E.
Very good. It's C-O-N-E, corn. Ira Zian, tell me the next one. You can see a candle. What is a sheep?
Cylinder.
Tell me the spelling. Good.
CIRCLE.
Cylinder.
C
C.
I
CY.
CY.
What was it? Cylinder. Tell the spelling.
CY.
CY.
L.
LI. N. GER. Cylinder. See, first one con, second one cylinder. Okay. So if your answer is correct, both answers are correct, then you can put 1 mark. If it is only one, put a half mark. 1/2. So shall we move to number 2? Question number 2.
Yes.
Okay, Dhananjay, listen here. Which number comes before and after? And the number is given 30. So, so before 30 we have?
29.
After 30 we have?
31.
Very good, very good. So if your answer is correct, you can put 1 more mark.
31.
Welcome, my dear. So before 30, 29, after 30, 31. Now, Liz Maria, please unmute and tell me the next one. Complete the pattern. And here we have 11, 22, 33. So what is the next number, Liz Maria?
44.
Very good. It's 44. 4, 4, 44. What about the next?
50.
Very good. It's 5, 5, 55. So if both answers are correct, you can put a 1 mark. Yes. Now, let us move to number 4. Count the number of matchsticks. Write the number and number name. Isma Jolie, please unmute and tell me. It's tens and ones, no? So how many tens and how many ones is that? How many tens and how many ones?
2 tens.
It's 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ones. So 2 tens and 6 ones. What's the number? 26. Okay, and it's asked number name. So TWENTYSIX. So if you wrote it 26 and 26 number name, you can put 1 mark. Now we come to the last question. Let's draw beads on the abacus to show the number 53. So draw. So we have to draw a rectangle, divide into 2 parts. Then we have to draw the spikes. Then we have to mark the tens and ones spaces. Left side tens, right side ones. And here we can see at the tens place it is 5. So we have to mark, we have to put 5 beads at the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one space it is 3. So 1, 2, 3.
5. 50.
So if your answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. Now you add. How many marks you got? Let me see. Show the page. Show the page, notebook page where you written. Anyone go to 5 out of 5? Good. Liz Maria, what about you? Adna Sunil, good. What about others? Please show me the marks. Manha Fatima, Arnav. Okay, Rasha, 5 out of 5. Good. Okay, Dhananjay, 5 out of 5. Vedic Vinod, what happened, Vedic? It's 4 by 5. Which question is wrong? Huh? Which one, Vedic? Did you understand the mistakes?
Yes.
Okay, good. But there also 5 out of 5. Very good. Many of the students got full marks. Good. Okay, wait, Pradap. 5 out of 5. Okay, good. Darshagur Nikrishnan also go 5 out of 5. Okay, good.
Ma'am, I'm not finished.
Arnav, how much mark you got? I can't see the mark, Arnav. Is it a 5 out of 5? Okay, please some 5 out of 5. Very good, Arnav. Now I can see. Okay, good, good. Very Ayan. Okay, show me Ayan. 5 out of 5. Very good, very good. Okay. Harriet, I can't see the marks. Okay, Shivad, 5 out of 5. Good. Aaron, 5 out of 5. Very good. Very. I am happy. Okay, all of you, most of the students got full marks. Very good. Keep it up. And the same paper I will send in the group also. So those who didn't complete, no problem. Okay. Those who didn't complete, no problem. You can copy from the group. And best of luck for the exam. Study well. Get maximum marks. Okay. Are you happy? So if you go near the marks, you can put 3 stars. You got full marks, no? So near the marks, you can put 3 stars. Just ask your parents. Okay. All are good students. Are you happy?
Yes.
Thank you for joining. We will meet in the next class. Means after the exam. Okay. So once again, best of luck. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye. Bye.